Welcome back, YouTube. I wanted to do a short video on how to replace the battery in a key fob for a 5 Series BMW. So as you just saw on my dash, the light came on to replace the battery for the key fob. So I'm going to actually go through how to take the key fob apart and replace the battery. So before I do that, I just gotta go get the new battery, and then I'm gonna come back and then we'll go through how to replace it. Hi YouTube. So I got the battery for the key fob, and it's a 2450. So this is the battery that you're gonna need as a replacement. They're pretty expensive, most places that you go, but I went to Lowe's and it was $4 and some change, which is the cheapest that I found. So I just went ahead and got two for both of my key fob remotes. But most places it's probably about $8, $7, $8 just for one. So we're gonna go over taking the battery out and replacing it. So this is what my BMW key fob looks like for my 550i BMW. And the only other thing that we're going to need is just a small flathead screwdriver. So if you have any one of those precision toolkits, there should be one in there that will do the trick. And this is just for popping the back out of the key fob remote. So let's get to it. So on the back of the remote, there's a button right there. So we're going to press that button and lift out the valet key. Like so. So you have the valet key, and then you have the base of the key fob. Inside you see there's two holes. This hole in here, you're going to want to put the flathead screwdriver and pop out the back. So I'm going to take the precision flathead screwdriver, stick it in that hole, and just pop out the back. It's real easy. But you see right there where the tip of the flathead screwdriver is, that's how you're flipping out the back panel right there. So you see the battery that's in there already, and you can see it's a CR2450. So we're just going to take that out. Take out a new battery. New battery, and just put it in. Like so. Now to get the back panel back on, all you have to do, you see there's a little clip at the bottom there, right there. That goes down here, like so. And then you see there's a little gap because it's not snapped into place yet. See that gap? That needs to be flush. So I'm not sure if you're going to hear it, but I'm going to press down on it firmly and you're going to hear a snap. That snap, you know it's in place. Now it's flush. Only thing left is the valet key. And just push it down till it snaps. And you're all done. So at the beginning of the video, I took a clip of the message that I got on my dash for the key fob battery removal warning that my battery was dying. So if you get that indicator on your dash, just replace the battery, and it's that simple. And then once you replace the battery and the car automatically picks it up, the warning goes away. So it's very simple, easy DIY. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know your feedback. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.